What's your learning style? For these questions, choose the first answer that comes to mind. Don't spend too much time thinking about any one question. Choose only one answer for each question. Question number 1. When you study for a test, would you rather A. Read notes, read headings in a book and look at diagrams and illustrations? B. Have someone ask you questions or repeat facts silently to yourself? C. Write things out on index cards and make models or diagrams. D. Read and write the material many times. तो जो कुछ आप करते हैं उसको आप टिक मार्क लगाएं. Question 2. Which of these do you do when you listen to rhythm? A. Daydream, see things that go with the rhythm. B. Hum along. C. Move with the rhythm. Tap your foot, etc. D. Lip sync. तो जो कुछ आप करते हैं वो टिक मार्क लगाए. Question 3. When you work at solving a problem, do you A. Make a list, organize the steps and check them off as they are done? B. Make a few phone calls and talk to friends or experts? C. Make a model of the problem or walk through all the steps in your mind? D. Take help from literature and take notes. Question 4. When you read for fun, do you prefer A. A travel book with a lot of pictures in it? B. A mystery book with a lot of conversation in it? C. A book where you answer questions and solve problems? D. Fiction, novels, stories, dramas. Question 5. To learn how a computer works, would you rather A. Watch a movie about it? B. Listen to someone explains it? C. Take the computer apart and try to figure it out for yourself. Lesson on self-awareness, self-education. D. Take help from books, journals or papers on computer. Question 6. You have just entered a science museum. What will you do first? A. Look around and find a map showing the locations of the various exhibits. B. Talk to a museum guide and ask about exhibits. C. Go into the first exhibit that looks interesting and read directions later. D. Look around and find the instruction for guidance. Question 7. What kind of restaurant would you rather not go to? A. One with the lights too bright. B. One with the music too loud. C. One with uncomfortable chairs. D. One with no written direction to guide. Question 8. Would you rather go to A. An art class, B. A music class, C. An exercise class, D. Literature class? Question 9. Which is you most likely to do when you are happy? A. Grin. B. Shout with joy. C. Jump for joy. D. Go for an interesting book. Question 10. If you were at a birthday party, what would you be most likely to remember the next day? A. The faces of the people there but not the names. B. The names but not the faces. C. The things you did and said while you were there. D. Make a report. Question 11. When you see the word dog, DOG, what do you do first? A. Think of a picture of a particular dog. B. Say the word dog to yourself silently. C. Sense the feeling of being with a dog, petting it, running with it, etc. D. Close your eyes and visualize the word. Question 12. When you tell a story, would you rather A. Give it pictorial form. B. Tell it out loud. C. Act it out. D. Write it. Question 13. What is most distracting for you when you are trying to concentrate? A. Visual distractions. B. Noises. C. Other sensations like hunger, tight shoes, or worry. D. Loud reading. Question 14. What is you most likely to do when you are angry? A. Scowl. B. Shout or blow up. C. Stomp off and slam doors. D. Write on a paper crumb and throw it into dustbin. Question 15. When you aren't sure how to spell a word, which of these are you most likely to do? A. Write it out to see if it looks right. B. Sound it out. C. Write it out to see if it feels right. Question 16. Which are you most likely to do when standing in a long line at the theater? A. Look at posters advertising other place. B. Talk to the person next to you. C. Tap your foot or move around in some other way. D. Read the captions written on the posters. Now counts A, B, C, D answer. My strengths as a learner are number 1. अगर एक ज्यादा है तो विजुअल लर्नर्स है आप. Auditory learners है number 2. 3. Kinesthetic learners. 4. Reading writing learners. अगर D ज्यादा है तो आप रीडिंग राइटिंग लर्नर्स हैं. अगर A ज्यादा है तो आप विजुअल लर्नर्स हैं. अगर B ज्यादा है तो आप ऑडिटरी लर्नर्स हैं. अगर C ज्यादा है तो आप काइनेस्थेटिक लर्नर्स हैं. अगर D ज्यादा है तो आप रीडिंग राइटिंग लर्नर्स हैं.